Hello guys, today we have purchased the Robo Vacuum Cleaner from the Eufy. I have a very good experience with the Eufy products, so I will be doing the review for this. So here we go. It's very heavy, and this is the Eufy Robo Vacuum, which is the model number Omni C20. So let's start. So I will open this right now. So now this is the vacuum here. As you can see, Eufy built with care. I really like the Eufy product, so I use the lock as well, and it's really good. So let's see how this Omni C20 Robo goes in. So this is something which we need to know. So here's the whole kit, which is safety information. You can read that safety information. It will tell you about the warning, what to do. And then this is the main robo here. It looks good from the inside out. It looks really good. And this is the stand for the robo vacuum, where it will go clean itself and come back again for the work. It will solve our problem that me and my wife are fighting over who will clean the house. It will solve the problem. And this is very simple product. You just have to unbox the product, install the station, and it will get ready. You just have to fill it with water. That's it. Nothing else you have to do. So I am very amazed with that. We don't have to do anything, and there's an app which we can download as well. I will show you this in the later in the video. And now we will plug this in. So let's unpack this thing. Take the clean water with the robo and just put it here in the dirty water. So this product, as you can see, this is the clean water tank here, and this is the dirty water tank. It has an auto cleaning system. What will happen is the robo will go inside, suck in the clean water, and then will come back to the station and just put the dirty water in the dirty tank. So we don't have to do anything except changing the water, of course. But yes, it looks really good. Let's see how it works. Now this is basically the plate where the robo will go through, and if you can see, it's inside here. It's removable, so you can wash it once the robo has done cleaning. And as you can see here, this is the charging spot where the robo will get charged automatically, and you can remove this plate, just wash it out and just put that back in again, and that's it. The robo will come here, and this is the wire. Now we are gonna plug it in, and let's start here. So we have plugged it in, and the light is going on here, and this is the robo here. So we will just unbox it. So this is the whole design. So if you see here, this is the anti-tangle brush, so it automatically cleans while it goes into the base. This is for the edges here. This will clean the edges, and this is the thing which will mop your floor. So here you can see. So this is the robo, and now we will get started for it, and I will download the app right now. So as you can see, you can scan this QR code and get this app. So I will scan the QR code here, open the phone, and just click on the option app download and download this app. And now I will wait for it to finish downloading the app here. So it's all done. Now the app is all set up. I will open the app, and it says send notifications, allow, I agree. And then if you already have the username and the password, you can log in. If not, you can sign up for it. I already have one for the Eufy, which I have for the lock, so I will just log in here. So now it is done. As you can see, I have logged in with my Eufy account. So click on add a device. Now robo vacuums, and ours is a Omni C20 here. So I will power this on. So as you can see, this is turned on. You will see the lighting here, and now I will just click on next in the app. Then it says reset robots network, so we have to reset it. We just have to press the left and right button for 3 seconds. So it has been reset. It will say follow the instructions. Now we say next, allow it, connection required, enable app permission. So we allow the Bluetooth, and you allow everything. So Bluetooth here. So I did the Bluetooth as well right now. I did the location as well, and then start connection. So scanning the devices here, and you can see it's blinking, and you can see here Eufy Omni C20. So connect. So we have to connect with the Wi-Fi. I will connect it right now. Connecting Wi-Fi. So it's connecting the Wi-Fi. It is going on right now. So we are just waiting for that. So Wi-Fi connection is successful right now. So now it's done. So we can create the map here in the app. So it's now updating the app and it's upgrading its softwares. So I'm just waiting for it to finish. Once it is done, we will be able to enter this and we will go from there. It seems pretty fun to have it. So the update has been done right now. I will click on enter and it will load the map here. It's home, room, zone, create a map. So if I click on start and click on next, so robot will map automatically. So I don't have pets and I don't want to set up do not disturb. So it will map automatically here. So the mapping is going on. I will let him map the whole house. So he is mapping, and the best part is this flaps will go up if you are on the mats. So as you can see here, and now it's mapping the kitchen. So it's mapping as of now. It will map the whole kitchen. It will come for me. So I can also stop the mapping process and just let him go to the base. But I won't do that because I need the floor to be cleaned. And now I will just fill up the tank and show you how it works. So let's go. You can just remove the tank like this, and this will say it's a clean water tank. So I'm just trying it with the water as of now. So now the water has been filled in this tank. So let's go here. So I have placed the water inside, as you can see. Now I will go to the app, and if you click on start, it will start the cleaning. So it will start washing the mop as of now. So you can end clean or resume it. So mop washing, please wait. So it's washing the mop here. Finished washing mop. Starting cleaning. So it will start the cleaning right now. So now I will be placing this thing. So here you can see I have just placed this thing, and let's see if this robo will clean this mess or not. And as you can see, these it took all of them with the mop and the sweep, and it's going towards the kitchen, and now it will come back and it cleaned the and now that area as well. So you can see it's mopping as well as sweeping the whole floor. It's just the normal water which I'm using right now. I will see what we have to use in here. It just left one over there. Let's see if it will take it or not. Yeah, it took it. That's good. It will take each and every dirty thing from your house and just do it with his own thing. And you can just go to work, turn it on from the mobile app, and enjoy while just chilling. As you can see, this is the bumper here. If it gets stuck anywhere, this bumper will go like this. That's it. So as you can see, it's returning to wash the mop. And as you can see, this is very cool feature. It detects when the mop is went bad, and it will go to the home base automatically. So it's returning to wash the mop. And as you can see here, it will just wash the mop and come back and do it. Start washing mop. And as you can see, it has lifted its mops when it goes to the mat, and when it comes back from the mat, it will put the mop again on the floor. So I will show you here. Let it come, and as you can see, the mops are lifted up, and now see here. That's a very good thing. It doesn't get the mops to the mat. And one last thing, it also has like a multi-mode application as well. So if you have like 2 stories house or a basement, you can just map it accordingly and choose the maps all over, and it will map and sweep and mop accordingly to the floors. You just have to change inside the settings. If you like my video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next one.